We now welcome Miss Rachel Nessel. She's here from the Academy of Lifelong Learning at Victoria College. Welcome, Rachel.
Thank you so much for having me today.
Well, it's great to always see you, and I love the Academy of Lifelong Learning. I haven't been a member in a few years, but it was so much fun when I got to do it. What is on the itinerary, or rather the program schedule, for this semester?
So we did recently release our spring 2025 schedule, and we have some exciting offerings this time. We do day trips. One of the exciting ones is going to be to Flatonia this year. We have some exciting educational lectures that are going to be offered by our great faculty at Victoria College.
That's the best part of that.
That's right. And then we have some cool crafting classes, some gardening classes, some painting classes.
Wow.
So I think it's going to be a really well-rounded schedule this time.
Painting and gardening.
That's right.
A lot of offerings, and the best part is the $60 tuition fee.
So the annual fee is $80, but right now, because we're in the spring, it's going to be discounted to $55 for spring and summer. We're going to do our first full summer schedule this year as well. So that $55 will get you that summer schedule as well.
What do we have to look forward to in the summer?
So we don't quite know yet. It's going to be our first time doing a full schedule, but definitely bringing back all of those games that we normally do, like the pickleball and the mahjong and the bunko.
Yeah.
But I think we'll probably go out to eat together at some restaurants and maybe have some of those crafting classes in the summer as well.
It's just a great way to make new friends, to get to know the people, the educators in your community. And it's also an opportunity, if you have some sort of specialization, you can offer to become an instructor.
That's right. We love to pull from the experiences of our members and have them teach others their passions. So that's definitely something that we love to see, is those careers come to life in the classroom again. Our average age member is right under 70, so we do accept all adults, but typically those retirees we see as our members.
And I recall from teaching a class that they're the best students.
Absolutely. You know, you have these people that are super engaged and interested in these topics, and they ask fantastic questions.
Well, let's go ahead and let people know about the upcoming open house.
Yes, our spring open house is going to be January 23rd at the Emerging Technology Complex. We're going to be kicking off at 1:30 p.m. and we'll be going until about 4. And people can come from the community to catch up with some of our instructors, see some of our current members. We'll have some refreshments and have a good time.
All right, well, thank you so much, Rachel, and thank you for everything you do for our community.
Thank you so much for having me.
All right, well, don't go anywhere. We'll be right back with some news to know before you go.